guys, this is Bhakti Sawant of B-Wings, and today we are here to see the things that I got from Ikea. So to start with, I got this pretty cushion cover from Ikea, and I also got one cushion. So we have got two covers from Ikea, and they have a lot of variety of covers. You can go and check it out. By the way, the store is in Worli. We went to that store. Another is in Navi Mumbai as well. So we got the cushion and the cushion cover. And it's so cute. You can see. Okay. So after that, I got something very. You will be just waiting for it. Just see how cute this is. This is a wall clock, and you can put it anywhere. It is so cute. It has this design around it, and it is for just 1,000 rupees. So काफी reasonable लगा मुझे. That's the reason why it is here. Then we got four glasses, not 4 pairs. 4 glasses of water, since we don't have one. So ये glass के बने हुए हैं, and they also have this red color का texture. सब color है इसमें लाल, वो थोड़ा pretty लगता है. 4 है. Then the most amazing thing, which is रंग-बिरंगी tissue paper. It has drawings on it. That's the only reason why we have got this tissue paper. Print है इसपे, इसलिए ये इधर है बस. काफी pretty prints है, but अंदर देख नहीं रहा है. देखो, है ना? फिर we got fork because we don't have many forks. So that's the reason we got this fork. And how many are there? 4 forks. फिर ice tray. 2 sets of ice tray. काफी क्यूट है यार, थोड़ा सा काला कलर है यार इसमें, पर ठीक है, कर सकता है. और फिर I got this cute candle. I don't know how this is going to smell, but hopefully अच्छा निकले. Then we can buy more because they have a lot of collection of candles and they are very pretty, that you can also place them in lamps, and then if you have something to tie in your room, then you can tie there. Then last thing, I got this container. This you can use for storage in your kitchen item, like in fridge for tomatoes or any particular thing. So this is everything that we got from IKEA. Bye. Thank you for watching.